In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google Search Console with Shopify. To begin, open Google Search Console in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you are using the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one website. Once you are inside Search Console, look to the top left corner of the screen for the Property drop-down menu. This is where Google lets you manage different websites and properties connected to your account. Click that drop-down, then select Add Property. You will now see different ways to add a website. For this process, use the URL prefix option. In the URL prefix box, enter your full custom store URL exactly as it appears in your browser. This means you should include the complete address, including the HTTPS part at the beginning. It is important to enter the full version of your store URL correctly because Google treats different versions of a site as separate properties. After entering the full URL, click Continue. Google will then take you to the verification screen. This is where you prove that you own the website you are trying to connect. On this page, scroll down until you see Other Verification Methods. Click on HTML tag to expand that section. You will now see a generated meta tag provided by Google. This tag is what helps verify ownership of your Shopify store. Go ahead and copy the entire meta tag code string exactly as it appears. Be careful not to leave out any part of it, because even a small mistake can prevent the verification from working properly. At this stage, the important thing is to make sure you copy the full code and keep it ready for the next part of the setup. A good tip here is to avoid editing the tag manually. Just copy it directly from Google Search Console so the formatting stays accurate. That will help you avoid common verification issues later. Once you have copied the meta tag, you are ready to move on with the connection process between Google Search Console and your Shopify store. Up to this point, you have successfully added your property in Search Console and obtained the verification code needed for ownership verification. That covers everything you need to know.